Welcome! If you're looking to clean up your Instagram close friends list and want to remove everyone at once, you're in the right place. Maybe you added people over time and now want a fresh start. Or perhaps you just want to keep your stories private for a while. Whatever your reason, I'll walk you through the updated steps to remove all close friends on Instagram in just a few taps. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to update. Once you're inside, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now that you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Give that a tap to open up the menu options. From here, you'll see a list of different settings and features. Scroll down until you spot Close Friends and tap on it. This is where you manage who can see your private stories. On the Close Friends page, you'll see the list of everyone you've added. Instead of removing people one by one, look for the option that says Clear All. Tap on Clear All, and Instagram will instantly remove everyone from your close friends list. Before you finish up, make sure to tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. That's it. Your close friends list is now empty, and no one will have special access to your private stories unless you add them back in the future. This process is super quick and easy, and it's a great way to take control of your privacy on Instagram. If you ever want to add people back, just follow the same steps and select the friends you want. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Instagram tips. See you in the next video.